Good morning, students. Today we will continue our previous chapter, that is cell, the structure and functional unit of life. Mitochondria. Mitochondria are known as powerhouse of the cell. The energy required for various chemical activities needed for life is released by mitochondria in the form of ATP, that means adenine triphosphate molecules. ATP is known as energy currency of the cell. The body uses energy stored in ATP for making new chemical compounds and for mechanical work. Mitochondria have two membrane covering instead of just one. The outer membrane is very porous while the inner membrane is deeply folded. These folds create a large surface area for ATP generating chemical reaction. That powerhouse of the site of ATP synthesis, that mitochondria diagram that we can see, this is the also the diagram, that is matrix, cisternae, inner membrane, outer membrane of mitochondria. Mitochondria, the powerhouse of the cell, is a rod-shaped cell organelle of aerobic eukaryotic which take place in the Krebs cycle. Commonly called powerhouse of the cell because they contain enzyme necessary for total oxidation of food and for release of high amount of energy in the form of ATP. It is bounded by two membranes. Outer membrane is smooth and porous while the inner membrane is folded inward to form cisternae. Cisternae contains oxygenome. They are partially embedded in the inner membrane. Mitochondria encloses a matrix having DNA, ribosomes and enzyme. DNA and ribosomes make the mitochondria semi-autonomous as they are able to manufacture some of their own protein and enzymes. This is the diagram of plastids, that you can see that A is that chloroplast, one is inner membrane, second is intermembrane space, third is outer membrane, fourth is stoma, third is thylakoid, and sixth is lamella. Plastid present only in the plant cell. They are of two types, chromoplast and leucoplast. One is chromoplast is colored, whereas leucoplast is colorless of white plastid. Plastid with chlorophyll pigments are called as chloroplast. They can be green, red, yellow, brown depending upon the type of pigment. The main function of plastid, that chloroplasts are known as kitchen of the cell. It helps in the synthesis of food by the process of photosynthesis. This is leucoplast, store materials such as starch, oil and protein. Chromoplast impart color to the flower which help in pollination. Here the plastids are large cell organelles found only in plant cell which are specialized to synthesize and store organic substances. Plastids are further classified on the basis of pigment present in them, that is of two types, leucoplast and chromoplast. Leucoplasts are colorless whereas chromoplasts are colored plastids. And what is the difference between leucoplast and chromoplast? Leucoplast colorless whereas chromoplast brown or reddish in color, cylindrical to round in shape, that is leucoplast, whereas irregular in shape, chromoplast. Found in unexposed cell, in exposed and unexposed cell both it is found, chromoplast. Take part in storage of food, leucoplast, it does not take part in the storage of food. Can change to other type, leucoplast, but provide coloration of organ, chromoplast. Chloroplast, kitchen of the cell, bounded by two membrane inside of chloroplast is clearly marked into a colorless matrix called stroma and membrane system called grana. Each granum consists of a stalk of membrane-bounded flatted sac called thylakoid. Thylakoid pigments called chlorophyll, carotenoid, and phycobeans. Stroma contains enzyme for dark reaction. DNA, RNA, and ribosomes later make the chloroplast semi-autonomous. And this diagram is well seen here, that stroma, thylakoid, inner membrane. What is the function of plastid? The chromoplast provide color to the fruit and flowers and attract the animals to help the pollination and fruit dispersal. Leucoplasts take part in storage of protein, starch, and oil. Chloroplasts trap solar energy to manufacture food through photosynthesis. Oxygen is being consumed in the combustion and respiration. Carbon dioxide is being produced in the two process. Chloroplasts maintain the balance of two gases by absorbing carbon dioxide and oxygen in the photosynthesis. Now vacuoles. Vacuoles are the storage sac for food or liquid content. Vacuoles are small sized in animal cell, while plant cells have very large vacuoles. These central vacuoles of some plants may occupy 50 to 90% of the cell volume. This vacuoles, the large central vacuoles in the plant cell, contain enzymes and pigment in the plant cell. Means that vacuoles that is present in plant cell, they are larger in size as compared to the animal cell. The main function of vacuoles help the plant cell to remain turgid. Deeply an important role in the growth by helping the elongation of the cell, means that help the cell of the plant for in the growth. They provide an across environment for the accumulation and storage of water soluble compound. In protozoa like amoeba and paramecium, vacuoles help in digestion and excretion. Thank you for today.